Ticking down the clock to Sunday, the day I leave Toronto for the first time for some actual travel vlog action. We're going to LA, we're going to Vegas, we're going to Texas, and I will be finally actually putting in creases into this Jordan 1. I also wanted to get your input on other shoes I might want to bring with me to LA. But there's also a Nike pickup today that arrived in the mail this morning, and I'm very hyped about this one. This was my last Nike sneakers dub of the year in 2021, and I think this is one of the most underrated, not really talked about Nike Dunk Lows that dropped last year. On that note, I will give you guys a hint about this shoe before we open it up, about what exactly it might be. It actually is a woman's Nike Dunk. This is the pair I'm going to be bringing with me to LA. Gonna crease these up a bunch, and I want your input on what laces we wear with these for the LA to Chicago's. We have the black laces with them, we got the white laces with them, and these red laces. Now, if you guys don't know, the paint on these will eventually chip off, and it's going to reveal a Chicago 1. So it's going to be a fun little journey for this shoe. We're going to see how it will eventually age over these next few weeks. And at the end of each vlog, I want to try and do a Jordan 1 update to show you guys how much paint falls off of these shoes. Oh, there's also purple laces as well. Right now, I am leaning towards the white laces. Today, we're doing a little old school unboxing right here with these. So let's just rip open this thing. Luckily in Canada, I don't really think I've ever seen a friend or anyone get their package stolen, but hopefully it's better in America, because you guys had really bad package thieves, and the branding on your boxes was really obvious up to what it was. But let's open this up and reveal the pair to you guys together. What might be one of the most underrated Nike Dunk Lows of 2021. People are sleeping on these. Not enough people are talking about these, the silhouette. But here we go, orange red Nike box, and let's take off that lid. Ooh, wow. These are the Winter Solstice Nike Dunk Low. When I saw this sneaker on the launch calendar for sneakers app, or not sneakers app, but Nike sneaker website, nike.ca, I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. There's some cool details on the sneaker I want to show you guys in a little bit. Let me tell you guys what Nike had to say about this shoe. So on the Nike website, it reads, the change from autumn to winter may lead to darker, colder days with less sun, but that's not what's happening in outer space. Even within the universe, our sun is still bright, big, and radiant, reflecting that warmth and embroidered winter sun graphic shines throughout the suede overlay stitching. Wherever you look on this woman's Dunk Low, the sun's rays are within reach. Remember to celebrate this year's winter weather with cozy vibes, love, and self-assurance. The date and time of this year's solstice is seen on the sock liner as a quick reminder. I actually didn't know what a winter solstice was, so I did a quick little Google search. It marks the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. So this is also when the official first day of winter begins. So you guys know, when it comes to winter, the seasonal depression kicks in. It looks like it's midnight by 5 p.m, 4:30, depending on where you're from. This is a shoe that is to counteract that seasonal depression, that really dark, moody vibe that winter brings. We got some positive vibes with the Winter Solstice Dunk. I'm actually kind of torn on this shoe. It's such a really unique looking pair of dunks. Not too many dunks out there that have a multi-shade of orange like this, but not even that. All this embroidery throughout the entire shoe is really cool and unique. From this sort of pumpkin orange to a really bright pylon orange to yellow with this sun on the very back right there. It's just a really playful sneaker, and I know it's a shoe that not too many people are going to have, and not too many people are going to wear. And if you're a guy, you're even less likely to own this because it was a woman's shoe release. I had to grab a size 11.5. The retail price for this sneaker release was 160 Canadian dollars plus tax. The highest offer for these right now on places like StockX is 254 Canadian, and the lowest ask people are willing to sell for is 316. From what I'm seeing on the charts, these are going for between 260 to 280 Canadian. So if I were to sell these, a quick flip. But honestly, I feel like this would be a really fun, playful sneaker as well to bring with me to my trip to California. It's just such a unique pair. I'm surprised that these don't have more attention. I think it is because it was a woman's exclusive, but honestly, why did they have to make these a woman's exclusive Nike? What's the deal there? I'm honestly falling more and more in love with this shoe the more I look at it. It's kind of dangerous. The details on the swoosh are really cool. There's sort of this shine to it. You guys can see, I'll have some B-roll on screen right now. The laces, the whole sock liner here here as well. Typically the midsole would be, you know, default basic white or sail. They went for like this peachy kind of color. This is definitely a statement kind of sneaker. There's also a really nice mixture of both leather and suede on the shoe. Now I'm not super impressed with the leather quality on these. It feels kind of on the cheaper end. It would be similar to what you would get out of like a Shadow 2.0 Jordan 1. Like the leather quality is kind of eh. I wish that they went more of a premium route with the leather quality, but the suede on these feels really nice. Just the way all these colors pop, although it's like different shades of orange, the colors do a really good job at like popping out. So this might be a shoe that, you know, cheers me up during the crappy and dark winter months. I could look down and see the sun shining on my feet. Let me know what you guys think about these Nike Dunk Lows, the winter solstice, and let me know if you guys think I should sell these or keep them in my collection. I guess we'll find out very soon on Sunday if I end up keeping them and bringing them with me to LA. We are of course also giving away a pair of Pollen Air Jordan 1s, so if you guys want to enter the giveaway for this pair, make sure you check out my recent top 10 videos and check out my Instagram as well at SneakerTalk.ca, where I'm going to start posting a lot more outfit photos more consistently to show you guys how I style particular sneakers. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.